Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the Bitcoin, what it's doing, I'll tell it to you. I told it's going to do like that here. Till Monday, you're going to see a big going up. The Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here. Then after that, it's going to go higher. That's the first scenario. Because tomorrow the weekly candle is going to finish, guys, and if it's finished like that, also we're going to enter long. By the way, some people they said Mia said it's going to be short. Mia, don't say that, my friend. Mia said like that. I told you, you go here to the weekly like that. I told you, if that weekly candle came and closed above the trend line, how is it now? You enter long. That's what me I told you. I don't tell you it's going to fall down. I told you if it doesn't close above that level, there is a big correction down. Think everything is too clear. I'll reply you. I don't want to reply you, but it's okay to reply you and to explain some things to you. It's going back to daily now. So here in the daily, guys, as you see, that green candle which is going now here, that one, let's zoom it a little bit. What it's showing to you guys, the last high which is that one here. It came up till here, till that zone here, but there is no volume to push higher. Then it's going back. And what else we said about that green candle here? We said that one is an inside bar like that. That's what else we said. Till now there is no candle breaking either up or either down. So us here we stay sideways, guys. Everything is too clear and everything is possible. It's possible from here it will go higher, and it's possible from here it's going to fall down. And as I tell it to you, the next week is going to be a very hot week for all the markets, because the Fed is going to come to talk about inflation, about to hiking or not to hike interest rate. A lot of things is going to come next week, so you need to be worried about that. Everything is too clear, guys. And here in my chart, what I got me, as you see it, we still have here that level here, which is holding for us the Bitcoin here. It doesn't let it to go higher, and there is no buyers to push it to go higher from here. That way, I'm still doubting till now it's going to go higher than that. But let's wait in the coming days, and let's wait in the daily, and let's see if it's going to stay here sideways like that. Then after it's going to break or it's going to break down, because also we're waiting now the price action what is going to give us here and the lower time frames, guys. Everything is still clear. Let's see now our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you, and yes, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest update videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's not hard, it's very simple. Just a read button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that you're going to become subscriber. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go to see our indicators, guys. That one here, as we said it, guys, what else we said? We said it's need to come to break for us that last high. As you see it, there is no power yet to break it. And what I told you before, I told you it's going to give us that 3 up. Then after that, you're going to see it falling. Or another story is going to give you 3 down like that. 3 down, that's what it's going to do like that. Then after that, it's going to go higher, guys. That dependent. Either it's going to give you 3 up here in the top, then after that it's going to drop, or it's going to give you 3 down, then after that it's going to go higher. So you need to wait in the 3 to finish, guys, and that one is going to give you a very nice flag in the daily. So you need to wait in that price action, guys, what they is going to tell you. So here in the daily, also now we are in the control of the bulls, guys. So that's when people who want the Bitcoin to go higher, them now they are controlling. Not like before, we used to be here. We are in a downtrend. Now I think the picture is very clear. So here in the daily, you are in an uptrend, guys. It's very clear and simple. And the bulls were controlling now. But those bulls, they don't got that much of power, but us, that's it. For us, the bulls here, they are controlling. In the daily, the bulls were controlling. So there is no short here in the daily. Everything is too clear. So now when you go into lower time frames, you are not going to looking for short opportunities, only for buying opportunities. Because trading is like that, my friend. You analyze the long-term trend and you follow it from smaller time frames. Everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment will not take you that much. Go now, my friend, pause the video and smashing the like button, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, what else we said? If you remember, we used to have here a flag like that. Some people, they came, they follow, they copy it from us, but it's okay. Let them, at least they given information free for other people. As we said, from here, we're going to enter, yes or no? And we enter from here, as you see it, guys. It came here, but now here, what it's showing us? Here, I showed you that one yesterday, but it's okay to repeat it. I told you yesterday, try to give us here, like a flag now, yes or no? Or a level is going to stay sideways here, guys. Because if you look in here, at that candle here, it zoom it a little bit, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What that candle there showing you? That one here, what it's showing? Look at it. It came here. It show a big rejection from the top, guys. Yes or no? Why that rejection? Because if you came here to the last peak, that one, and you draw it like that, because that level here is a supply and demand zone. The market from there, the last time it fell down. Now you are in it, and over here it's showing a rejection, guys. That's what I told you before. I told you to make a close eye at that level here, if it's going to be broken or no. Because if it's being broken, what the market is going to give you, guys, look here, high, low, like that. You need to give you here another high for you to know is an uptrend, yes or no. Or another story, it might is going to do like that. How is it now? It's going to stay sideways here, then after that it's going to go higher. That's another story. The chart story here is going to give you like that, a double top like that. Then after that you're going to see the Bitcoin is going to fall down, and all that time we are going to looking only for short opportunities, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So till now here there is no short opportunity, but the Bitcoin here it's showing is it in sideways, guys. And yes, also we show you all those things in before, guys. We told you here in that level we are in a very stronger level, and we showed to you in the past videos. So now you need to wait in the Bitcoin to break here, and the volume for buyers, they need to enter to the market, because till now there is no buyers, guys. As you see it, till now there is no one buying, guys. So us, guys, what we said in the daily, we said we are in an uptrend. But here, in that level, we see people, they still careful in that level, guys. Yes or no? People here, they are worried. What's going to happen to the market? Either is going to break that level, that man is going to confirm for us, is going to go higher, or another story, from here is going to fall down. Because if there is no power to break here, that man, those people, they buy from down here, they are going to sell here at that level. Here, guys, everything is too clear. So what may I tell you? I told you either now the Bitcoin to break that level here, yes or no. If it's breaking here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. If it's not, and there is no power to break here, like how is it now? Those once they buy from down, they are going to sell, guys. Then the Bitcoin is going to drop. Everything is too clear, guys. You get the picture what I'm trying to tell you or no? So now also we need to wait in what the Bitcoin is going to do here in that level here exactly. Till now it's showing a rejection, but let's wait in the coming hours, guys, to see if it's going to break or not. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, if you remember us, we be in here at the overbought area. We told you here is going to fall down, guys. That's what us we said. Until now here, our indicator, what it's showing, guys. In the chart, what it's showing us? It's showing us, they are both of them, they are like that. Yes or no? One like that and one like that. Here in our indicator, what it's showing? One higher and one it hasn't even reached to it, guys. So there is something not right. There is a divergence, guys. Yes or no? So now what we need to do, guys, we need to look in at that things or that pattern it happened to us in the chart, guys. Either here is going to break higher and that one is going to go to be the same like that one, or another story, that one is going to fall down, because here in our indicator it's showing to us something not right. Over here, look at the power, and here the momentum or the power of buyers, there is very small compared to before, guys. So we need to make a close eye at it, what is going to do, guys, either to go up or no. Everything is too clear, guys. So now in the Bitcoin, you are in a very sensitive moment, guys, and that's what I told you. The next week is coming very important news. You need to make a close eye what those news they are going to do to the market, guys. Either it's going to come positive or negative, and that's why you see here the chart, it's reacting to that, guys. There is not a lot of big people they buying, guys. Everything is too clear. And I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle close, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. Now let's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. The one here, us, we've been here at the overbought area, yes or no? And what we said, look here. We said for us to looking for short, we need a price action. Did we got any price action here to enter short? No, guys. We don't got nothing there. So now us, it might, that one is going to continue it here. It's going to continue it going up. That way us, we said maybe it's going to continue it up. But our indicator here is telling us we are at the overbought area, guys. So the people, they enter from here, from that channel as we said before here, that one, started protecting yourself. Because you don't know, maybe from here you're going to see a big drop, guys. Or maybe from here you're going to see a big going up. So start protecting yourself. Don't let, if you are now you are in profit, protecting yourself, move the stop loss up, put a limit order, put anything for don't fall down and the Bitcoin to close in losses, guys. Because here our indicator is showing us we are here at the overbought area, and that level here, that one here, it's still very, very stronger, guys, as you see it. Till now there is nothing breaking up. It's need at least to break that level for us to know it's going to go higher, but it's still very, very stronger that level here. So there is no buying yet. So we need to wait and what's going to happen. I think everything is too clear, guys. So now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. To see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes, also we make a very, very nice profit from it. If you remember, I used to have here a wedge when it's breaking here, a enter short till here. Here, we used to have a double bottom like that. We enter long. Till now, till here, as you see it, and me I told you yesterday here to take some profit. Now what it done here, over there it tried to give us here, guys, a head and shoulder. You see it or no? It's not complete, but it's need that one to fall down again. If it fall down like that, it's going to give you here a head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? And that level me I told you, look at it here. You see it or no, guys? And here in 30 minutes, what you got here? Look with me here and here. You came down here, you just follow that 200 moving average, guys. What you seeing? You got a triangle, guys, yes or no? Now, if that one came and break in here, that's when you're going to see the Bitcoin down, guys. Yes or no? But the good news here in 30 minutes, what is it? Look at the 200 moving average, guys. What's it showing to you? We are trending up, guys. And that 200 moving average now, it's reacting like a support, guys. Yes or no? Every time the Bitcoin came and touched it, it go up, as you see it. So now here, what we need to do, guys, that's the level us we're talking about here in 30 minutes, as you see it. Now, either from here is going to break it, it needs to be broken. If it's break it up, it's going to go higher, guys. Or if we find a short opportunity, we will enter short, guys. That's the job of us. Us, we want every day to make money, not to be waiting 2 years, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. We are here at the overbought area. That's what I told you yesterday here. Level, we don't need to go back here. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. You see it or no? Price action, you got that one, guys. As I show you now. Ahead, it's not yet completed. It's need to complete for you here, a head and shoulder, guys. Like that. If it came and breaking down, you enter short, guys. Take profit when it need to be here, down. Look with me here. At last low here. Everything is too clear, guys. Here, there is nothing too easy than that, guys. And there is another price action, guys, here. Look with me here. And you came like that. You got here a wage, guys. If it came and breaking here, down here, the lower of that wage, you enter short, guys. How you drawing that wage? Look with me. You came to that candle here, that one. Let's zoom it a little bit for draw it for you. Like that. You came to that candle, that one, like that. And you drawing like that, and you came to that peak, that one, and you drawing like that, guys, to that peak here. Now, if it came and breaking for us here, we will enter short, guys. Take profit of us. It needs to be here in that lower here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.